of the major questions that I get on this platform each time I publish a video is this job available in my country? So today I compiled a list of platforms where Africans and even Asians can find AI training jobs that they can do from the comfort of their home and get paid after doing the job. So the first one is one that I've applied to personally, and on this platform you're going to find a lot of jobs aside from AI training jobs. You can find things when it comes to AI, things like image annotation, data annotation, image labeling, and stuff like that. You can also find speech collection and search engine evaluation jobs aside from the AI training jobs that you can find. Now the good thing about this platform is you don't really need to have any experience to come on board, and you can do the jobs they have there from the comfort of your home. So you have to also understand that this platform does jobs that are project based. What this means is that once the project ends, the job ends. So it's not something you should quit your real job for, like, to focus on. So it's something you can do on the side because the time is flexible and you can get paid via direct bank transfer, Payoneer, PayPal, ATM, or any other means that they may provide for you depending on the projects you're working on. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check out CrowdGen. It is powered by Appens and they have been around for a long time, so you should check it out. Second one is another one where you can find this job, but this one is quite different from the first because you have to have some skills like writing skills, editing skills, language skills, like you have to be proficient in one language or another. Or if you have a core tech skill, then you are welcomed on this platform to improve the AI systems they work with on the platform. So, and this platform is going to pay you higher depending on the type of job you're going to be doing. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is Mindrift. You have to understand that they have processes that you have to go through, starting from creating an account to taking the assessment test to be able to come on board. So if you don't have any resume, you are going to be needing one if you start making your application process on this platform. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check it out. The name of the platform is Mindrift. Now the next one is one that I've mentioned previously in my video. It has been around for some time, and the good thing about this particular one is that they're going to train you to be able to do the jobs that they have there, and you can do things like image labeling, data annotation, and stuff like that to be able to train AI systems for them on the platform. And they pay per job or per task you finish on this platform. The good thing is they're going to offer you training and it is super beginner friendly. So if you're interested, you might want to check out the platform. The name of the platform is Remote Tasks. You might want to check it out and see if it will work for you. The next platform is another place where you can find other jobs apart from AI training jobs. You can find website testing jobs on this platform, and this platform is available globally, and they welcome people that can come on board and do AI training to improve AI systems. Like others, you can do things like image labeling, data annotation, and tagging as well to be able to train AI systems on the platform. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is Clickworker. You might want to check it out and apply, and hopefully it will work for you. So the next platform, just like Mindrift, is another one that will need you to have some skill or even to have a degree to be able to come on board and do this job, because they have a provision for experts, people with PhD, where they can be allowed to do their own jobs and train AI as well. So but here you have to have some skills to be able to do the job, and if you have degree in subjects like math, physics, chemistry, an added advantage for you on the platform to come on board to train AI. So this one is also going to train you if you don't have any much experience. They're going to train you for you to be able to know what you're expected to do and do it well. For people that are not experts or people that don't have PhD, you can start earning from $20 per hour once you're on board on the platform. You also have to know that the process will need you to take some assessment tests before you can come on board, starting from creating an account, and once that is done, you take the assessment test and you start earning by completing the projects they have there on the platform. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is Annotation Tech, so you might want to check it out. The next one is one that I mentioned. They were recruiting massively earlier this year, and they are always looking for people to come on board to help with training AI. This one will not really need you to have so much skills, but you should have basic ability to read and write, and most times the jobs you're going to be doing is to record yourself, for them to use your videos or images to train AI. So they have other protocols that you have to follow through, and of course they are going to give you some assessment tests. In fact, the process is you will have to create an account. Their AI system is going to have an interview with you, and of course after that you do your assessment test before you do the onboarding process. And once you're done with all these processes, then they will give you your tasks and you start doing, and upon completion of this task they're going to pay you within some days. So that is how this platform works. And sometime earlier last month they were recruiting massively. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is Micro One. I mentioned it before. You can be doing things like training AI with data annotation, and even vetting the output of their AI systems that they have there to be able to assess it, to know how it is doing with the jobs that it's expected to do. So that is what you're going to be doing on this platform. It is quite different from others because the process of getting on board is quite strict compared to others, so it's something that you have to be very careful about while making your job application, and hopefully it will work for you. So the last one we have for this video is another place where you find data annotation jobs, image labeling jobs, and this one centers mainly in using languages to train AI models. So you might not really find the type of job you're looking for or the job in your location, but I'm going to share with you how you're going to find jobs that are in your location, so you can find the ones that are currently open and make your job application. So this is the platform and this is what it looks like. So for the interest of this video, you're going to scroll all through until you get this part, and then you click on the careers. Then you're going to see this place and you click on job opening. You're going to see the job opening at the moment, but for you to know the ones that are open in your location, these ones are usually in United States and Europe. So you're going to click here where it says all jobs, and you look at this side of the screen where you have the map. Then if you're in Nigeria, for example, you just zoom in to your location on the map until you get to your country. Notice that when I clicked on this icon, it changed to the job here. So this one is TIFF linguistic project, and it is remote for people that are TIFF language speakers in Nigeria, people from Benue State. So you might want to check, they are currently open right now for this position. So you're going to see everything about the job, and you have to be fluent in TIFF and fluent in English, which I know a lot of people in that region are fluent in. So you go through it to be able to understand the job properly. So this job is for people in Nigeria and Makurdi, as you can see, and it is remote and it is temporary. So most of these jobs are temporary, so it's not something you quit your full-time jobs for. So here are the things you're expected to do, things like categorization, annotation, correction, evaluation, and stuff like that. So they did not really specify how much they're going to pay for this particular job. So, but you're going to know how much you will be paid before you even start doing the job. So to apply for this one, you click here where it says apply for job, and then you fill out this information here. You're expected to upload your resume and any other relevant file here. So if you're looking for a way to improve your resume, if you're not confident enough with the one you have, I've prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that will help you. It is a template that is customizable to suit any job that you want to apply to. So you might want to grab a copy with the link in the description. I want to thank people that have used it, and the reviews we've gotten so far has been so amazing. So you might want to check it out, and hopefully it will work for you. So if you found value in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us so far. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.